Jackie, and 2 other friends trying to convince them to go smoke.
Class was so boring.
Hey guys, what's up?
Nothing.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing really.
Much.
Just come smoke with us.
All the cool kids do it.
And it's fun too.
I don't know. I don't really want to. Well, should we? I guess. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
Awesome.
go. Let's go. Yeah.
Hold up. Let's back it up a minute here.
Class was so boring. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, what's up?
Nothing.
What are you guys up to?
Nothing really.
You want to come smoke with us?
Well,
All the cool kids do it. And it's fun too.
Well, should we? No, we should go and ask them if they want to come jump on the trampoline. And plus, it stinks. I really don't want to smoke, so let's make up really good reasons that make them want to go. So let's go. You guys want to come jump on my trampoline with us?
I don't.
And plus, my mom would get really mad at me because it's the smell and all that stuff. I'd get in so much trouble.
Hi guys.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Adrian, and I'm part of the Cascade Locks Middle School Health Media Club. And I don't smoke or do drugs because I play volleyball, and you have to be really healthy to do it.
I don't do drugs or drink because I want to do well in sports.
Hi, I'm Paulina, and I am part of the Cascade Locks Health Media Club, and I don't smoke. I draw instead of smoking.
My name's Danielle. I'm part of the Cascade Locks Health Media Club, and I don't drink or do drugs because I would rather play with my friends.
Hi, my name is Nathan, and I'm in the Health Media Club. And I don't drink or do drugs or anything like that because I rather play with friends.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I am at the Cascade Locks Health Media Club. I don't smoke or do drugs, and I would rather do drawing instead.
Health Media
I don't have to leave anymore. What I have is right here. Spend my nights and days before, searching the world for what's right here, underneath and unexplored items and cities.
Hi, I am Paulina, and I am part of the Cascade Locks Health Media Club, and I don't smoke.
Ready?
Hello, my name is Nathan, and
Ow!
sorry.
The school park with 2 friends, Jackie and Brianna, and 2 other friends. Tell me when. Okay. This is a scene. My hair's going in my face. And their names are JJ and Crystal.
I am yours now, so now I don't ever have